Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open System Settings and go to Displays to change visual scaling for your MacBook. Choose Resolution and select Scaled rather than Default for display. Look for larger text options labeled by percentage like 125% or 150% to increase interface size. Smaller items become more readable while overall resolution changes slightly. Apply the change and follow any prompt to log out or restart when macOS requests it. Adjust fonts inside individual apps when system scaling is too broad for your needs. In Safari, open Reader or Press Command and plus to zoom page text. Repeat until comfortable. In Mail, Notes, and Text Edit change default font sizes to exact point values like 12, 14, 18, or 24. In Finder, use view options to pick a text size for icons and list views. App-level changes let you preserve screen space while increasing only the readable text you need. Use Accessibility Zoom when you need temporary or persistent magnification across apps. Open System Settings, choose Accessibility, then zoom and enable screen zooming. Set a maximum zoom level like 200% so text and interface elements become much larger when activated. Toggle zoom using Option Command 8 and adjust magnification with Option Command equals or Option Command for finer control. You can also enable the trackpad 3-finger pinch or control scroll gesture to quickly magnify specific areas of the screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.